pleasant day to everyone. For today's vlog, mga kaibigan, ay aking bibigyang buhay ang isa sa aking sariling akda. Ang akda kong ito ay hango sa tunay na kwento ng buhay. At ito ay posted na rin sa aking Facebook account sapagkat ito ay aking isinulat way back November 20, 2015 at isa ito sa aking paborito sa mga tula na aking naisulat. Kung kaya't aking hinihiling minamahal kong mga kaibigan, samahan ninyo ako hanggang sa dulo ng videong ito upang inyong malaman kung ano ang kabuuan ng akda kong ito. This poem is entitled A Journey. I often heard life is a mysterious journey. Cause things chained within with mystery. Even sometimes the flow came with pain to agitate the endurance and patience. Life is a road, a journey I owe to travel on. An ocean of joys and tears can't stop to shed. Feelings sometimes stumble, heart get bothered, self-confidence weakened, faith and trust also tested. As I go on my journey, I always ask my mind, thus, trials and pains really a part of my path? Bunch of questions arise. It bothers my heart. Thus chances time will come for me to enjoy life. My dreams compared to the shining stars that on my way to pursue I must work so hard. Blackened by terrible suffering, my hope departs. My tears flooded, unbearable pains torture my heart. Those circumstances I owe to overcome and bear. Unstoppable tears will nourish and draw me near. Unbearable situations makes me strong to stand firm. Prayers is my strongest anchor in every step I make. As I go on my way, venturing the virtue of life that I desire, chain of discouragement and failures strengthen my heart. Self-motivation, perseverance, dedication need to be intact in order to surpass any hindrances came along with my life's path. At iyan po ang kabuuan ng akda kong alay ko sa bawat isa sa inyo. Nawa ay aking nabigyang buhay at inyong naintindihan ang nilalaman ng akda kong ito. At muli, ako ay nagpapasalamat sa inyong walang sawang pakikinig at panonood sa mga uploads ko. Shout out sa mga teammates ko, Team Hanispi, Team Premier Marathon, Team Sakalam, Team Premier BG, at saka Team Friendship. Maraming salamat sa inyong suporta mga kapatid. Ganun na rin sa mga visitors, families and friends na silent viewers sa aking mga uploads. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And God bless you all in return. Muli, isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.